In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly start a Google Meet so you can have online meetings. From your Gmail inbox, either on the left side or the right side, you should have a menu. You may have to pop it out from the side. But in that menu, you should have a Meet option where you can create a new meeting or go to a previously scheduled meeting. For this one, I'm going to create a new meeting. All right, so when you click on New Meeting, a little window pops up. If you're going to invite others to this meeting using the link and you're going to send an invitation over email, click on Send Invite. And when you do that, you'll have the option to either copy the meeting invite and then you can create and send that email yourself. Or if you click on Share via email, it will create an email message for you and then you can send it to whoever you wish. When you do that, you'll get a new window that pops up, and then you can send an invite to whoever you want. I'm going to send this, and if you invite people to the Meet this way, there's something I need to let you know you need to do. Once you click send, that box with the link disappears and you just get this. Click on View Message. If you do that immediately, you'll get that same email back to you, which will have the link to the Google Meet in it, which will allow you to quickly join it. Otherwise, it just sort of goes away, goes somewhere, not really sure where. All right, so if you want to start a Google Meet that way, you can. Otherwise, you can just start a new meeting immediately just by clicking on Join Now. And that's how you can quickly start a Google Meet to have online meetings.